Welcome to Isoko language class. I hope you've been learning and enjoying yourself. I sure am too. Together, we'll do a great job. Masi kwe wo mai kufie he. We'll learn and teach our children and generations yet unborn. So last week, we talked about the 26 alphabets of the Isoko language. ABD Isoko, that was the old alphabet. And we said the new alphabet are 28. And we talked about that. In case you are just tuning in, please like, subscribe, follow me, and you see my previous videos where we learned that in the last class. Now, today we are talking about the vowels of the Isoko language. In the previous vowels, or rather the old vowels, were 7 in number. Now there's an inclusion of 2 vowels, making it 9. Those vowels are very, very, very important. Very, very, very important. Now, I want us to look at the consonants. The consonants are ba, da, f, g, hi, j, k, l, m, n, p, r, c, t, v, w, y, z. Those are the consonants. Now, there's a letter I said is silent. That's the letter C. It does not have a sound until another letter is attached to it. So that's why in my reading, I didn't attach that to the, I didn't pronounce it, because C on its own in the Isoko alphabet does not have a sound until a letter is attached to it. Till I see you again next time. I'm Kenu, and please, Isoko Naziezi, Abidi Isoko, and you speak it fluently. What a jazzy. Odanota Manuel.